Jesus, I was talking to myself. What I was making a post. I was saying that GJ sells during Asian session smashed. We also got gold, take profit one during Asian session that we set, also smashed. 2 picture perfect trades. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, 1 segundo. My bad, I'm here a little bit late, boys. Nonetheless, we're here and we're going to have a stream all the way to New York session. Lots of possibilities for us to be able to enter the market. And what the fuck is this? One second, boys. I'm trying to pull out my spreadsheet. Alright, my bad, boys. I had to pull out I was trying to pull out this spreadsheet because I thought I lost it for some reason. Alright, did you see what I sent on the Discord? No, I have not. Yo, Jimmy Maneuver checking in. What it do, James? Looking for ID. Oh, my bad for the chart. Alright, boys. So, clearly we had our meltout that we had. We're going to have some top-down analysis right now, and we're potentially going to send out another trade. I just wanted to try to log these trades, and, I just barely got on. Give me a second, boys, and we're gonna be here just till. I mean, we're gonna be here till New York session. So the stream just started. I mean, the chart kind of melted out already. We were in these trades already. We had an Asian session stream, and it was a very successful one. Clearly, we caught some gold longs, and we caught some GJ sells. Yeah. Give me a break though. 1 second. 23, 2. My bad, boys, for the silence. I'm almost done. All right, my bad. I'm pulling out the. All right, what's up, chat? My bad. Now I'm looking at the chat. I have not looked at the chat. Did you sleep at all? I did sleep a little bit. No sound, brother. Or that's way old. Join me in my private. W yo yo yo. What a do, badass? What a do, Arnold? What a do, badass? What a do, Arnold? All right, chat. So we're basically we're on a 2-win streak right now. Would have been 3-win streak if we didn't close out at break even. The trade before. We closed out at break even, and then but we caught this gold sell during Asian session. We traded it. So tomorrow we're gonna trade Asian session as well, boys. Tomorrow, let's look at Forex Factory so you guys know exactly what time to show up. If you look at my Forex Factory, it says tomorrow. This is today. Yeah, that's what we need. 7:30 p.m., 8:30 p.m. Confused. I'm very confused. 6:50 p.m. All right, so basically we're gonna be on at 7 p.m. 30 minutes before this AUD news. So for me, I'm not sure. I think Asian session starts at 7. So an hour after Asian session starts, we will be on and we will be ready to try to, you know, do something just like we did previous Asian session. We will start streaming Asian session and London session. So sometimes we might be on a little bit later during the London session. Nonetheless, we will come no matter what during a London session, but Asian sessions we are going to start including as well. What's up with the chat? Has the chat caught any trades? Is the chat in any trades right now? Where this is fresh session for us right now. We have not caught any trades this session. We are still looking for trades this session. We have the whole London in front of us, and we have the whole New York to come that we will be a part of if we have to. So I'm just waking up. let the energy start hitting me, and let's have a good stream, boys. I mean, I'm here to stay. So anybody in any trades right now that they want to share, or anybody have any outlooks, or anybody want me to check out any pair in specific? Do you guys feel like trading gold right now, or do you guys think GJ is gonna? All right, so I want you guys to, how many times did I repeat during Asian session that we were gonna break lows? How many times did I say, guys, there's a support level here, where there's a support level and there's a range and it's gonna get broken? I said, if we close that support, it's gonna open towards the downside. Does anybody recall that? Ugh. All right, so now we're waiting for the last part to happen, which was when I said that I think that the lows are going to get broken, support is going to get broken, and that is when we are going to come back into the range. That is when we're going to show bullish price action. Now, it's a little bit advanced of a setup, advanced because you can't just hop it into buys right now just because we broke support. You need some sort of candlestick confirmation. You need some sort of sign that's telling you, hey, this might be bottoming out. This is might get ready for strong bullish momentum. Maybe we need a little bit of, you know, bearish momentum to die out. So maybe that's the first thing we're looking for, which is bearish momentum to die out. Bearish momentum slowed down a little bit, just a little bit, but I definitely wouldn't say it's dying out. It's actually still maintaining. So we can see that there's still momentum in this candlestick and we can still break lows. So we're not looking for buys yet. Now we're going to keep a fresh, sharp eye on it. And I think that we're going to do, so we hit TP1. We hit TP2 on this GJ trade, but we didn't hit TP2 yet on gold. So potentially we might still have, maybe there was a TP3 available for this GJ trade. But what I do know is that gold still has a chance to keep on rallying, because what we expected was just for this 4 hour to do this, but now we're going to wig fill it and keep on continuing up to the top side. So, I mean, the market has great setups set for us. Now it just comes down to us choosing the correct one and executing on it. I don't got any coffee. I don't got any Celsius. I'm cold turkey in this bitch. I have a heater next to me because it's fucking freezing. Literally, it's like pointed at me right now. I'm gonna go to the charts real quick. I mean, I'm gonna go back to the charts and do some breakdowns. Maybe we'll erase everything and do some top-down analysis on GJ. Just give me a segundo. Bangers, Badass. They were bangers. There were some people on stream asking for you, dude. There's some people that were like, yo, what happened to the Indian fellow that used to this and this and this and that? I'm like, yo, he's always still here. There are some people who came to the stream looking for you, Badass. They're like, yo, where's that kid? Oh, you got the webcam, Badass? Bro, that UK degen, whatever his name was, Blue Chew, whatever his fucking goddamn name was. As a streamer, you go learning and you go experiencing so much that you kind of, I mean, I knew he was not going to be a part of the stream for a while. Whenever somebody tells you that they're ready to start learning how to trade and then the next thing they do is blow an account, it's because they're just delusional. And I told them many times, you're not going to be profitable, you're not going to be profitable, you're not going to be profitable, you're not going to be profitable. Because he would hop on the stream and try making a whole bunch of money and blow a bunch of accounts trying to make money. And I was like, bro, you're trying to make money right now, but you're not trying to learn. There's a difference. You could come to the charts and you could try to make money, or you could come to the charts and you could try to learn. There's really no in between. There shouldn't be no in between. So what I mean by that is that if you're going to come to the charts and you're going to learn, you're going to start taking actual setups. You're not going to hop in and out, and you're going to actually even if you don't feel comfortable with it, if I tell you, hey, look, this is the correct buy, this is the correct stop loss, wait through it, you're gonna wait through it. That kid was just coming to the charts and just buy, sell, over leverage. Next candlestick, he thinks it's gonna go down, so he's gonna bet on down, then he's going up. All right, might see a continuation of gold right now. I'm trying to see if we can catch a little bit of a retracement on gold and maybe continue it to the top side. That might be the way to go with the setups that we have right now. All right, GU, let's go look at GJ on the weekly. All right, so GJ on the weekly. We wick filled previous week, the previous week's wick, we filled it to the downside. And now is when we start seeing a whole bunch of sellers in the market. Before we had a whole bunch of buyers, and now we're starting to see a whole bunch of sellers. And this is where me, knowing how I trade, knowing what I have to expect in the market, now is when the sellers start hopping in, is where I'm like, hey, maybe we should start buying. I think that these lows could get a little bit more disrespected, maybe a little bit more of a volume push to the downside before we start buying it up. But I think that, I made it very clear, I think we're going to start trading to the 186,700 levels, 186,800 levels, and this is where I want to start taking buys. Buys with a nice 30 pip stop loss. Right now, a 30 pip stop loss would put us at 400. I think that with the bearish momentum that we have, we'll go through drawdown here. Let's try hopping in as there's bearish momentum, because then if we hop in and then it dies out, then we have a sniper entry. Now, when it comes to gold, gold's market slowed down a little bit. It's been just steadily cruising. Hasn't really done anything big that's going to change our mind on the bias. Let me pull out my phone. I guess you wonder where I've been. Previous 4-hour candle has no bottom wick. That is because there's a lot of momentum in the market. Like, notice how we had rejections of this 8 SMA. So we were trading beneath this 8 SMA, almost to this 50, and then we zapped upwards. Then we rejected it again, and we rejected it again. So this 8 SMA already was showing so much like resistance and so much like it was repelling price, pushing it away, that when this candlestick opened, it pushed it so hard, and you can see it pushed it so hard because of this wick that it left, that it didn't even leave a bottom wick. That's called momentum candlestick. A lot of people think that because there's no bottom wick, we should start waiting for the sells. That's ridiculous. There's bullish price action, everything's rising. Resistance has been rising and support has been rising. So there's no reason for we to be like, oh, it's the top of the market. No, it's not the top of the market. The top of the market's all the way up there. We're just getting started. And this candlestick is just indicating it, as in, look at all the impulse that it's pushing upwards. It's a momentum candlestick, boys. That is what those candlesticks are called, with no wicks. Invented purely by me. I've never heard anybody else call it a momentum candlestick. So I'd love for when it starts snapping one day and then everyone's calling it a momentum candlestick, you guys to remember where it came from. You're OG. All right. Check it, boys. Break of this support level. Remember I said we're in a range. We're going to break support level and then we can start looking for longs. Whoever hopped into longs already, you might be up 10 pips maybe, but Jesus Christ, what a beautiful entry. I potentially want to hop in. I think I just got here a little bit too late, but maybe it's going to keep on breaking lows and then we're going to be able to hop in. We're going to keep a sharp eye on it, but What it do, Kevo? How was your nap, my dude? It was great. I was so exhausted. I got off the stream after Asian session. For anybody who was not here during Asian session, we streamed Asian session and caught these 2 bangers. I decided to go to nap after because I was like, oh shit, London is in 4 hours. And yeah, I overslept just a little bit. But like I said, boys, we're going to start doing Asian session streams to prepare us for London. And then maybe if we take a trade London, we ride it out all the way. I mean, maybe we take a trade Asian session, we ride it out all the way to London. But we're just going to be hopping on during Asian session and London session, potentially all the way to New York. And then just trying to make the streams more longer and a bit more broad and more sessions to appear on. I mean, we know how to slaughter the markets whenever the markets are moving. So it really doesn't matter what time we hop on. 4 hours not have a top wick. Chance are high to flip on GJ. GJ's 4 hour no top wick. Yeah, I mean, the chances are high for it to return and come tap this 8 SMA and then potentially come up here. Like I said, the break of this support level is triggering on a whole bunch of sellers, which means we need to be buying. You want to be doing the opposite of what the crowd is doing. You really do. I think it's worth it investing into a prop firm. You could grind on an account as much as you want, but still not going to give you the possibilities and capabilities of making so much money off so little. The only way you can make a lot of money on a live account is pushing the limits, pushing the limits. As in, like, if I have $1,000 account and I want to make $2,000, I need to fucking risk way too much. Now, maybe $1,000 isn't too much to me, but regardless, it's still too much of a risk on that account, where that account with 1 trade, 2 trades can get easily blown, especially if I'm targeting a full 100% flip. So the only way to be, when you're trading live money, live accounts, man, 1% profit is 1% profit. You got to be happy with it. You got to learn how to accept 1% profit. But now a lot of people trade off of $1,000 accounts, and 1% profit is not a lot of money. What it do, Tamilius? And look at this, Tamilius. Asian session banger. This was the Asian session gold banger. A lot of people were doubting at the beginning. I'm just kidding, not a lot of people were doubting, but a lot of people were a little bit scared when we went into drawdown, nonetheless. And then look, boom, take profit 2, not even 1 to 2 take profits. Asian session, that was my first Asian session, boys. First Asian sessions actively trading. Stop playing with the kid. We back. You are new here. Well, if you are new here, make sure you join the Discord, please. Make sure you join the Discord and make sure that you join the, follow me on Instagram. What we usually do is that we stream London session. Nonetheless, we stream the Asian session as well. And we usually take 1 trade a session. 1 trade a session allows us to kind of, if you've gotten to the stream and we have not taken a trade yet, it means that you are early. You don't have to expect to be taking my revenge trade, my first trade, my second. It's every single day we take 1 trade and then we log it. So there's a Discord right there for you guys to join if you guys are first timers here and you guys are not in the Discord. I also sent my link to my spreadsheet. My spreadsheet shows you the pairs that I trade by showing you my track record. It shows you exactly how I performed over the last, what the fuck? 1 second, boys. So yeah, make sure you guys join the link. Look at the chat. Look at the chat as we speak right now. You guys will see the link to the Discord. You guys will see the link to my personal Instagram. And you guys will see a link to a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet will just show you how I have performed over the last few trades. We log every single trade we take. You're streaming in your undies again. Imagine. And I don't see what the problem would be if I was streaming in my underwear. I'm not, but I don't see what the problem would be. Now I gotta put on pants because of y'all. All right, so when we're looking at gold right now, I mean, I'm seeing that look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. We're trading above this 8 SMA. I mean, same reason why we hopped into this trade is due to the fact that we had this huge liquidity grab and then it zapped upwards. After that zap upwards, it showed me that we have a lot of bullish momentum here, a lot of bullish price action in this area that I am squaring out. And we tried trading beneath this 8 SMA, zapped above it. Tried trading beneath the 8 SMA, zapped above it. Now we maintained ourselves above the 8 SMA, above the 8 SMA. Candlestick opened above the 8 SMA with so much momentum, it flied all the way to take profit 1. Where nothing here has indicated to me that the bullish momentum has died out. Nothing. Kind of the same thing with GJ. Nothing in GJ has told me that the bearish momentum has died out. Right? That's what we were patiently waiting. Now we anticipated these setups. I think they could rally a little bit more. Nonetheless, I made it very clear that I wanted to take GJ sells. We took GJ sells, called it out, hit it. I said also, after we take the sells, the smart thing to be doing is taking buys, especially after the break of this support level. Because if you can see, we just barely broke out of the range on GJ, right? This is a support. We had a resistance level all the way up here. That's the range, basically. We're out of it right now. So I have a strong feeling that we can come and zap back into the level of support way before we hit, let's say, 186,200. I don't think we're going to hit 186,200. I think that we're going to come down a little bit more, maybe 10 more pips, 15 more pips, because this right here looks like it's going to break these lows. Nonetheless, GJ has not given us any indicators that is ready to go bullish. Sometimes the market doesn't need to give you indicators, but I mean, if we're looking for any clear indications telling us the market's ready to go up, I mean, there's nothing that's picture perfect right now on GJ. Anybody in any trades right now? Or did anybody hold, who in this chat was here during Asian session and took at least one of my trades? Gold or GJ? Anybody during Asian session actually take one of my trades? Boys, if you guys are new here, if you guys just barely got here, we traded Asian session. We're going to keep on trading Asian sessions and London sessions. Maybe try to make it to New York. Just try to be all around the stream a lot more. All across the board around the different sessions. Bottas is sleeping during Asian time. You took both, Yordani? Look at that. Did you hold both? Alright. I want to know the chat. Also, chat, type 1s in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. 1s in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Type 2 in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ. 1s in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. 2s in the chat if you're bearish on GJ. I need chat participation. If you guys have not liked up the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream, boys. Make sure you guys like up the stream. If we reach 100 likes, we will do a giveaway. 100 likes and we will do a giveaway. I will repeat that again. And all you guys got to do is click the like button. It's super simple. 100 likes and we'll do a giveaway. Jordani got to hold GJ to TP2. I'll go 1 since no one. Guys, we got nobody who's bullish on GJ. Nobody who wants to be taking buys as we speak right now. And then I know that we have some people that were a little bit bearish on gold. They said that they want to take gold sells. I feel like volatility died down just a little bit. Volatility's died down just a little bit, but at least we're here as an early. We've only been streaming for 30 minutes. That we're going to be able to probably make it to New York session where we start seeing a lot more of the crossover volatility. But definitely, I think bangers are coming our way during this session. Check the screenshot you sent to Discord. Oh, this is UJ. Oh no, it's GJ. Wait, what is this? You just barely caught this 15-minute sell? As you can see, we have news at 30 minutes after New York Stock Exchange open. What I want to do is start trying to anticipate what's going to happen during New York Stock Exchange open. As in, the crossover of London session and New York session is going to bring a lot of volatility, where this whole move could get corrected just off one impulse. So making sure that you guys don't blow your profits right now and have space and like room to trade when the volatility comes is essential. I mean, I trade really good off high volatility. Everybody who's traded with me, all my clients that I trade personal accounts for, or all the people who I've passed challenges for, seen that I clearly get caught in markets whenever they're not trending. But the second that the market shows volatility, everything's very straightforward, clean, straightforward. What is the difference between in-session trading? I mean, depending on the session that you're trading, I didn't really understand your question too much, but depending on the session you're trading, that's going to depend on, first of all, how much volatility there is in the market, and also which currency pairs are actually having movement and volatility. So as we're trading London session, we are seeing actual movement in the Great British Pound pairs. As we're trading Asian session, we're seeing a lot of movement on everything that has to do with the yen, everything that has to do with, I don't know, Australian dollar, or New Zealand, or whatever the hell. And then every time we're trading New York session, everything that has to move with the dollar. I mean, the whole market moves strongly with whenever the dollar moves, but because the dollar, moves the market. But depending on the session is what's going to depend on the volatility of your currency pair and the times that you could actually trade. Yes, you could trade from India. All right, so broke these lows, bearish momentum, in my opinion, nothing clean yet, but we are starting to die out. It's going to be insane to catch this long because we already caught the short. But I think it's valid. Boys, if you guys have not gone to the signal section where I've sent the signals for the last two trades, please go over here and drop some emojis, show some support to the channel, show some support to the trades that I sent, and just come here and spam these, please, boys. Everyone here in the chat, come and spam these. I want to see this go up to like 10 right now. These are the two trades that we hit during Asian session. If you guys are not on the Discord, make sure that you guys join the Discord. Discord is in the chat section right now. The chat link. Thank you, Arnold. Look at the chat. The chat, you will find the link to, oh, look at that. You'll find the link to the trades. Go to admin signals, jump to the admin signals, and you will see all the signals that we send. Every time we take a signal on live stream, you will see it here. Show some love and support, boys. Love you guys. That looks awesome. I love when to see this shit run up like that. I think we're gonna get ready to take some longs. Nothing, we're not gonna go full. I think I'm gonna go half position size to begin with. We're not gonna execute right away, but we're gonna get ready to start taking some GJ buys. I'm actually gonna. We're at 186.700. All right, so I made 1%, 2%, right? Take profit 2. I actually closed a little bit before take profit 2. But now what my logic is that I'm going to try catching the long, but I'm only going to risk 1% of what I made, like half of what I made. All right, actually let's execute. Actually, it's not execute. Actually, let's not execute, not yet. All right, boys, we're gonna start executing this GJ long. Start executing. 30 pip stop loss. wow, what my take profit one was for the last trade is my take profit one for this trade. And they're both opposite trades. Isn't that neat? What to do, Yordani, Arnold, Saxy, Mr. Bryson, GJ Buys. We just hopped into GJ Buys. During Asian session, we took sells, hit take profit 2. Now I'm gonna risk. Made 2%, now I'm gonna risk 1%. $30 pip stop loss. All right. What broker should I go with for the TFT challenge? 8 cap. I don't know. It really doesn't matter. So like I said, boys, if you guys were not here during Asian session, make sure you guys start turning on post notifications, because we're gonna start streaming Asian session and London session. During Asian session, we caught these gold longs, hit take profit 1 recently. We also caught GJ sells. Took both trades. We don't usually only take 1 trade a session. Nonetheless, I saw a perfect opportunity. I really understood where price action was moving, and I was confident to take it. I told you guys I was die hard loving both setups. I told you guys I hate fucking telling you guys shit like that. I told you guys to make sure you guys don't over leverage. I said if you guys over leverage, we will lose. But I told you I am in love with the setup. In love, in love, in love. And yeah, that's exactly. I mean, it was great. It was great. We had a great Asian session. That was my first Asian session ever streaming. It is there. You guys want to check out those? Make sure you guys check out the spreadsheet, boys. I have been logging my trades since April. I started streaming back in April. You can see April's trades: May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, and then you start going on, and you will be able to get an idea of what pairs I trade, how I go about my executions, what times I trade. There's a whole bunch of valuable information there for if anybody wants to check out the spreadsheet. The link is in the comment section right now, in the chat box right there, as you guys can see. If you guys have not joined the Discord, where you guys could start seeing where I send all my free signals, and as well as it's the community where we basically all chat and stuff. Make sure you guys join the Discord. When I send signals, drop emojis and likes, please. It helps the engagement. I don't know. It looks nice. Makes it feel like people are actually trying to take the signal. That's all you can really ask for. What was I gonna say? I need coffee. I need coffee. Please log into our Discord channel and access our trades. Yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord through that link right there. I need coffee. I'm about to make myself a coffee. Oh no, this is 600. Wait, when did I hop in? At 700. Okay. 700. No exit, take profit. 187. I mean, I'm from Chile, and Chile is neighboring countries of Argentina, where everyone drinks mate. Yeah, I probably should try some shit like that. I love you, Linda Ferrer. I adore you, Dios. How was my nap? I mean, I wish I could have napped more. I'm still a little bit tired. Nonetheless, there are trades to be taken, money to be made, streams to be done. So we are here. Oh, thank you, Slick. Thank you so much, Slick. So she shopping till she drop, but she may never wear it, but she bird cause her baby could be flyer than her parents. Yeah, her pussy go bang bang boom boom pop pop. All right. So during Asian session, we caught these gold longs that I still have a strong feeling that we're gonna get to take profit too before we get to stop loss. Let's say that I am not in these gold longs anymore. I am not in the GJ sell anymore. Actually, I closed a little bit before take profit too. Now I think that we might go through a little bit of drawdown. I made 2% here, and I'm gonna risk half of what I made on this last trade during Asian session here. A standard 1%. Currently going through a little bit of profit already. Not much at all. Basically at break even. It feels good when you give answers. Wait, it feels good when you give answers of chats. Well, when I read the chat, well, I'm always interacting with the chat. I think the more that you guys interact with me, the more I interact with you guys. Or else it just makes it feel like I'm talking to myself, which I don't do. Well, I'm actually doing it now, but you know what I mean. Let's see if we can really get ourselves a sniper entry. If this keeps on going, that is going to be considered a sniper entry. 3 trades today. I mean, we usually take 1 trade a session. That's the name of the game. 1 trade a session. Asian session was the first Asian session ever, so I mean, we had to take 2. We just had to. I was feeling a little bit loose. Also, I wasn't sure about volatility, and I didn't want to be waiting around for 1 pair. I don't know, where somebody told me that gold moves around pretty good, so I took gold. Then GJ looked great, so I took GJ. Yeah, 1 trade a session, 3 sessions though. So we got Asian session trades, we got London session trades, and New York is coming up, so we might be able to take another one. But yes, boys, if you guys have not been aware, make sure you guys turn on post notifications below, because we are going to start streaming Asian sessions as well. Asian sessions as well. Make sure you guys check out the Asian session. The last 2 trades we took, so you guys can see here. Asian. You guys are always going to be checking out the spreadsheet and be able to check out what trades I've taken. That's why the spreadsheet has great information, because it shows you guys whether I'm trading London session, Asian session, what time I open the trade, what time I close it, how many pips, the lot size, and yeah, so on and so forth. So right now we're in January. Soon we're going to need to make a new spreadsheet, because this is overlapping to the next year. I started this in April, May, whatever the hell. Not a lot of volatility in the market right now, which means that we might be waiting for New York session to get a little bit closer. Nonetheless, it doesn't matter. We'll be waiting for it. That's the name of the game in trading. Trading, a lot of people think that you hop into a trade and it's quick quick action. I'm either gonna win, I'm either gonna lose, I'm either gonna go home, and a lot of the time it's a lot of waiting. A lot of the times you give yourself a loss by closing automatically and not being patient. So I do feel like we could go through a little bit of drawdown. I'm not saying that I don't think that we're gonna go through drawdown, but I think that my stop loss is set at such a valid level, and I think that this is really, really neat entry if it does go up. And yeah, 30 pip stop loss is not too bad, especially when we made 2%. We're missing 1% here. It's great. We're gonna go through drawdown right now. I see it happening. We already struggled a little bit. Markets froze up on us, boys. No? A little bit slow. Oh shit. Teach us something. Ask some questions, boys. What questions you guys got? Any questions in specific? Or how about, where's everybody in the chat from? Where are you guys representing? Where are you guys representing? We got Florida in the house with me. Florida in the house with me. Can I look at gold? Let's go look at gold. Gold is like on a little bit of a pause right now. I thought it would, and I thought this 15-minute candlestick would flip bullish, but no, it looks just like it's going downwards. All right, so we got Philip from Sweden. Got him Gaming is from New Zealand. Who's we got New Zealand in the house. We got Sweden in the house. What was the reasoning I took the trade on GJ? This buy or this sell? This buy is due to the fact that we're beneath this level of support that got broken, right? This level of support that I have marked out during Asian session was broken. And I said that once this support is broken and then we start seeing a die out of bearish momentum, we're most likely going to zap back into the range. Just a typical setup that I see all the time. Australia in the house. We got Australia in the house also. Wisconsin. Shout out to Wisconsin. Seattle, Washington. Man, they got some crazy ass dispensaries out there. Shout out to Seattle. We got Finland. Finland and Sweden. Damn, we got a whole bunch of goddamn like Norwegian ass. Sydney, Australia. Oof. I want to go to Perth. No problem. You could be in a sell. I think that if you're in a sell, I mean, I think the sell might. I think I'm expecting a little bit of drawdown in my trade right now, and I say that all the time, and I'm saying it with confidence. Just like when I was in gold and I was expecting a little bit of drawdown, went through a little bit of drawdown. A couple people panicked, they got out, we flew. It's just, yeah. That's the beautiful part about trading, is that two of us could be right. How important is the candlestick to me? I don't even use indicators. To me, the candlestick is everything. pure price action. We got the Bronx, New York. I'm from Florida. So shout out to Florida. Well, I'm from South America. I live in Florida. How important is it? The Bronx, New York. Where else do we got people from? We got Despac from India. Arnold is from Latvia. I already know that. Arnold from Latvia. We got Sweden, Finland, Latvia. Badas is from Bangladesh. Oh, wow. Martins is from Latvia as well. Thank you for that, Slick. Yes, we have a new hourly candlestick, boys. You guys make sure you guys are paying attention to your hourly candlestick opens and closes. Every candlestick open and close, really. We have a new 30-minute, new hourly. Hourly, I mean, this is giving me vibes that it's going to go down a little bit. I'm surprised that it's going up right now. It's giving me vibes it's going to go down just a little bit. Arnold, help me out with all the links real quick, please. Boys, make sure you guys join the Discord. Discord link is in the comment section in the chat box right now below. Look at it. You guys can see the links below are all my links. You guys have the Discord, which is where you guys see all the trades that I send. See all the clean little beautiful setups. I send them in a really nice manner. We have a free chat where everybody talks and communicates. I do challenge passing, so if you guys want to know about the challenge passing, you guys could go here and open a ticket, as well as my personal Instagram is there as well. If you guys want to know about all my personal announcements and everything I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, follow me on Instagram. And oh, my spreadsheet, and you guys have the link right there to my spreadsheet, which shows all the trades that I take. Everything gets logged. Make sure you guys go check out the spreadsheet. All those links are right there in the chat section below. Thank you, Arnold. Tell everybody I'm on my way. If I was Don Vo, I could close right now. We could be considered fucking winners for the day. I don't know. That's a good question why I don't trade the UK 100. I think I just don't have good knowledge over it. I don't know. I only really trade two pairs, which is gold and GJ. I used to only trade GJ, then I started trading gold because gold matches my trading style, and yeah. Now it's a kumbaya. Yeah, gold has a mind of its own. When it comes down to gold has a mind of its own, and gold could really fucking just love you, and then gold could just out of nowhere just humble you and make you think that you know nothing about the charts. So my relationship with gold also is a little bit of a love-hate relationship, but those are the best relationships, love-hate relationships. it's like those little toxic girlfriends that you get, and then I don't know where you're always fighting and going back and forth with. Those are sometimes a little bit more funner to have as a relationship than the ones that are just, you know, smooth and boring and, hi honey, what do you want for dinner? You know, I want a little bit of goddamn action. Nostalgia of my ex when I trade gold. All right, boys, I want to see some ones in the chat for anybody who thinks GJ will be bullish. Bullish buyers on GJ. Type ones in the chat. Now, for everybody who thinks that GJ is going to sell, I want to see some twos in the chat. I know that we got a whole bunch of people that think GJ is going to sell out right now. Twos in the chat for the sellers on GJ. Two. I want to see it. How many people are thinking that we are actually going to sell out on GJ? Harry's with me. Look at that. Harry said he bullish. Brad said I ain't having none of this bullshit. This is clear sells. $185. So Gotham Gaming says we have a little bit more cells left in us, and then we're gonna come down. I mean, we're gonna come down. We have a little bit more cells left in us as Gotham Gaming, and then we're gonna potentially go up. I'm gonna buy in GJ and GU. I feel like GU is going and GJ isn't. Oh no, GU is going down. It is a counter trend trade. I 100% agree. What it do, engine? Halfway to TP, no? Almost halfway to TP. All right, who is currently in the GJ buy with me in profit and happy because they hopped in the trade with me? How about that? Who's currently in profit right now? Is there any other procedure? I'm not really sure what you mean by that. Harry closed full. Fucking Harry, love it. WWW, thank you. We got Jordani, Martips, and Arnold showing love. Let's see if we can get a little bit more volume in this bitch and pushes. Man, we go. I think we get to take profit one. We're getting to take profit two. Like, I'm not saying it looks like we're gonna get to take profit one. I'm not saying it's 1,000%, but it looks like we're gonna get to take profit one, close to 100%. And then after that, once we get to take profit one, I'm telling you, it really looks like we're gonna get to take profit two. And that's why trading is very simple when you make it simple with FX Peso. That boy riding it all the way down to 188, 200. Snipe, snipe, snipe. Boys, it takes a fucking GJ wizard to be able to trade like this. Like, this is gonna look so fucking clean once we get all the way back to take profit 2. Like, my take profit 1 of my buy right now is the same take profit 1 as the sell that we took during Asian session that hit. Like, that is some fucking savagery. Price action, boys. Pure price action. On the way to take profit 1. 3 trades in a row within the last 8 hours. We took gold, take profit 1, baby. Took GJ, sold out, baby. Just woke up. Haven't even had my morning coffee yet. And we on the way to take profit 1 again. Jesus Christ. Someone call a doctor. All trades called out. Oh my God. How can you help me pass a challenge? Whenever you guys have any questions about challenge passing, boys, because I mean, majority of the accounts I have are all my clients' accounts. We have accounts that are live from me passing phase 1, phase 2, and then trading live and getting multiple payouts. And then I have some challenges that are on phase 1, some challenges on phase 2. All questions about challenge passing, you go to open ticket right here. Okay, what I was going to show, open a ticket and you could ask all your questions here. Admin signals, look at the admin signals. Boys, all these trades are being called out. Like, you guys literally just focus on taking my trades and not like over leveraging on yours and just standard lot size on mine. You're constantly going to be fucking, maybe you might win and lose with mine, but majority of the time you're going to go up with mine, and then you might lose with yours, and then you'll balance out. Like I don't know. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible to be able to take signals. That's why I typically always take 1 trade a session on live stream. So when you guys come to my live stream, you guys aren't like, oh, this is his counter. Because I hate taking people's. I remember going on live stream. I used to watch, let's say, Daniel Savage live. I'd get there late. He already fucking got stopped out, and now he's taking his revenge trade. I'm doubting taking his trade out of nowhere. He gets in aggressively, takes profit within 5 seconds, and out of nowhere I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Now I hopped in late on his trade. I'm in drawdown. He's hitting take profit. He fucking closed out of his trade, made money on his revenge trade. I'm like in draw. Like so to make things very simple, I always like to just go into every session that we have, boys. We're looking for the move of the session. The move of the session. We're not looking for to predict the next 5-minute candlestick close out early. We're not looking to predict the next 1 minute. We're not looking to predict the volume. We're literally looking to actually catch the full move of the session, kind of like we did here with Asian session. At least 80% win rate. I mean, my win rate, it varies. It really varies on the market types, but we've here my spreadsheet as well, which you guys have access to, shows you April 82. So the win rate is on the right hand side. If you guys want to watch it right here, you guys can watch it. 82, 85, 92. Well, at one point it was like a 76. Now it's probably back to 78. Yeah, we have like around a 78% win rate right now. All right, so in the chat box right now, I just barely sent the link to the Discord. I also sent the link to my spreadsheet, and then I also sent the link to my personal Instagram for any of you guys that want to be able to follow all my personal announcements. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications. Boys, if we get 100 likes right now, if we get 100 likes, which there's people coming in and out all the time. 100 likes, and we will do a giveaway. We will do like a $100 giveaway, or we'll do like a $150 giveaway, or I don't know, maybe we'll do 3 $50 giveaways. Like up the stream. If you guys like up the stream and enough people enter, we do 100 like. We've done hundreds of dollars of giveaways. We just, stream has not reached enough people yet in a while. So, but we're on the move there. We're on the move there, and now we're starting to stream Asian session as well, boys. Remember that. If you guys are just barely joined in, we're streaming Asian session and London session. We typically only trade London session. We're now including Asian session in our resume. Still got 6 hours of work before you can hit a blunt. God bless you. I'm just kidding. It's not that serious. Oh, I got a dope message from Basti. Boss, I got a message request saying, I came today. This is at 6. Oh, this is recently. They said this recently. I came today for the first time into your live stream. I need to say that the best of ever seen. Thank you, mate. I hope the best, and I hope the best for you and your family. Enjoy live. Best, you, Mark. You. We got the same colored charts. That's crazy. This guy's awesome. And he had the same colored charts as me. That's why I typically do it, man. And whenever I go on live streams of like trading, I'm always like, man, these people fucking suck dick. First of all, at trading, and suck dick at fucking hosting a live stream. So that's what motivates me mostly to fucking always come here on live stream. And I'm telling you boys, we're gonna be the biggest live streamers. And I know a lot of you doubt it, and I know a lot of you think, oh, I don't think he could do it. I don't think he could do it. I got stuff planned that you guys have no idea, boys. We're gonna be the biggest fucking live stream. I have access at the palm of my hands. I just haven't abused it and haven't shown it yet, but you guys soon will see what I'm talking about. For now, I mean, so for example, last week that we didn't stream, I mean, boys, my main focus has always been the accounts that I'm managing, challenge passing, and basically my like for example, I've been going through a whole. My life is changing drastically. For those who know, that means that you follow me on Instagram. For those who don't know, it means you don't know. It doesn't matter. But I don't know. I needed to assure my and I'm not like these gurus that have a whole bunch of courses and have a whole bunch of bullshit to sell. I make my money off trading, right? I don't make money off being here on stream. I make money off trading. So when it came down to like last week, where I was just like, I don't know, it wasn't that I was stressed out, but I was like, man, like I definitely could use a really good trading week. It was a bad trading week. Nonetheless, I didn't stream, and I focused on challenge passing. I focused on all the challenges that I'm passing right now, and I focused on my live account because I needed to make some money. And I mean, it's different coming on stream and taking trades in front of you guys, and sometimes it's not, but I don't know, sometimes when I'm in that scalpy mode and I'm just trying to fucking throw some big lot sizes and not, you know, I'm not gonna be here on stream. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to do that throughout this week or next week. I mean, I'm just giving the excuse of why I wasn't on last week and on what my main focus is. My main focus is always going to be challenge passing. Always going to be challenge passing. It's always going to be all the accounts that I'm managing. So my main focus is for those in the comment section are my clients, right? And my trading comes first. My trading comes first. So a lot of the time also I hop off stream and we don't have a long stream. Why? Because I know that I'm not going to take a trade. So yes, I'm good at maybe hosting you guys and maybe keeping you guys entertained, give you guys market outlooks, but a lot of the time it just downplays me to just I mean, not downplays me, it's just harder for me to be here online for no reason, and it affects my trading that I'm trying to make sure it's my priority. What prop firm do you suggest? I mean, I obviously suggest the top ones, you know, FTMO. If then in second hand you have like TFT and Smart Prop. Those are the prop firms that I most recommend. You got no idea, got him. Oh, look at that. Gold's coming back, dude. Might be able to hop back into gold. Gold's hovering over this 8 SMA. Gold's potentially going to look like a really good trade right now. Or gold melts and GJ flies. Potentially. Pump! Look at that guy, for whoever took that entry. I think it's going to pump. Oh, I think it's going to dump. Taking into the Bible. Man, I want the charts to start moving. I feel like this thing's moving so slow. Honestly, the more it struggles, the more it's giving me. I mean, I typically don't close at break even when we hit. I typically don't close trades at break even whenever they come back to my break even. But like, I don't know, this situation is giving me a close at break even if it comes back down vibe, you know. I apologize for the yawns, boys. Where's Dahlia? Right? Let's fucking go. Hit my take profit, my stop loss, hit something, bruh. Stop making me wait though. Gold, am I taking it? No, I think that gold needs to retrace a little bit more. I think that, I mean, I already have, oof, looks beautiful on the 5th. Oh my god, I think that I wish I would have took it. Please come down a little bit more, gold. I think gold needs to come down a little bit more. I apologize for the low energy. I usually have coffee and stuff at this time. I just woke up late and I didn't have time to prepare myself. Crazy rejection, but right now we're about to have a 30-minute candlestick opening, and I think the 30-minute candlestick opening is going to open to the downside and wick fill what we have happening right here. 30 minutes, it's going to open, and then it's just going to start coming down, maybe hover over this 50 SMA for a little bit, then reject, but I think that needs to come down just a little bit. On gold, we are not in any trade. I'm actually going to start taking away everything from gold. Stop confusing people on gold. Oof, look at that 1 hour SMA. Come on, GJ. Gold already started to have a little bit more volatility in its market. GJ just decided to stall out. Interesting. All right, GJ, this is where you go. All right, my bad for the silence, boys. There's so many accounts that I'm managing right now. Jesus Christ, that I gotta fucking just make sure everything's fine on every single one. What it do, Eugene? Loof, all the questions that you want to ask me here, and open a ticket on the challenge passing on the Discord. Open a ticket here in challenge passing. You could ask me all the questions that you want. But for account management, I don't really charge any large fees for the new people. I've done account management with like 2 new people recently, and for example, I charged them a small fee, and then after the small fee, I told them after first payout, I will return the fee. And then we off of like our profit split. So like imagine we're going 50-50. I said, all right, you know, if I'm going to charge you $500 to trade your live account, when we get first payout, I'll give you your live account money back. Like whatever I charged you, I'll give it to you back. And it's just kind of an insurance thing of me assuring that I'm not going to get like fucking, I'm not going to trade somebody's account, make them money, and then they're not going to pay me. I like at least get something. GJ is going to hit take profit any second. Badass made OG rolls in the Discord for all the people who have been around for a while. That's smart. Good shit, Badass. Thank you. I think gold is about to fly, Slick. You about to be in a fly session. The thing's about to flip and fly. About to flip and fly. Gold's about to fly. Flip and fly. There it goes. Bye bye, gold. See you later. Come on, gold. See you later, gold. See you later. The what? The Limitless Discord page. What is that? Nah, man, I'd let gold drop further. All right, let's see. One's in the chat for those who are bullish on gold. One's in the chat for those who are bullish on gold. Two's in the chat for those who are bearish on gold. Let's see who's bearish on gold. Where the bears at? Damn, no bears? Come on, we gotta have somebody that's bearish on gold. No, GJ, go! Hit my take profit, hit my stop loss, but go. How to recover a loss, the same way you tried to make that win. I mean, how to recover a loss, it really just comes down to making sure you're not changing your strategy up and closing out trades early and losing that confidence. Because the second you lose that confidence is the second you're going to start having bad executions and lack of trust in your trades, and it's just not going to go. You're not going to have a smooth trading journey. This thing flew, boys. Gold's about to fly. This 30-minute candlestick is going to end up all the way at the top. Is this 30-minute candlestick going to touch this top before it touches this bottom, or is it going to touch the bottom before it touches the top? That's really what we got to see here. Knowing gold, bottom then top. And that's coming from somebody that's in a buy. Boys, get my morning stretch on. Do I sleep? Man, I try to. Bangladesh is the best country in the world. GJ fly so I can hit another take profit. Gold is gonna fly, then we're gonna die. Gold is gonna fly, fly very high. What it do, brother? How's it going? Needs a impulse candle, right? Anybody in GJ with me? Who is in GJ buys with me? Who is in GJ buys with me? I know that we have people in GJ buys with me. There's no way I'm on a 3-win streak and nobody's taking this 4th trade. Para said 4 wins for the day. No way. I want the new whip out the dealer. Give it to my mama McGreen. Lit like a fashion. Me and my boys could tick at the yapping. Loading the magazines. Now we y'all up a magazine. Last 5-minute candlestick of the hour. Yes, you're very right about that. What it do, Eric? Eating. Bing. My view on gold is the same view that we've been having since Asian session, is that we are long. I hit my take profit on gold there. I have my take profit right here. Alright, boys, I'm going to start closing out my trades. I'm going to start closing out on both my trades. Well, this one already hit take profit gold. I'm going to close out on GG right now. I don't want the next hourly candlestick to be a part of this, and I mean, there's no need for me to hold that all right now. My challenge is looking great. That gold really did it. Oh shit, let's look at the new hourly on the gold. I think gold does have a chance of going down right now. That could be the retracement. Let's see. Yeah, we might need more liquidity to go up. I agree with that. What time is it? It's 7. So we're closing this trade at 7 o'clock. What's up, Only Pips? Why am I silent? I was updating the spreadsheet. I was I don't know, doing business. Exactly. All right, I'm done with gold. GJ, I'm done with for now. I need some volatility to come. I need some new movement in the market. Up to the moment, we're stepping back. Ah. So yesterday we had a break-even trade that ended up hitting take profit 1. We streamed Asian session and we ended up taking 2 trades, hit both of them, streamed London session and won both of them again. Back to having a 70% win rate for the month of January. Let's go. Boys, it has been an amazing session. We are going to be on during Asian session and London session tomorrow. Potentially, I'm going to hop back on in an hour. Let's see. Potentially, I'm going to hop back on, let's say, in 2 hours for New York Stock Exchange Open because there's news like an hour after New York Stock Exchange Open. Boys, turn on post notifications right now as you guys are listening. Post notifications. Go to the subscribe button and click on the little bell. The little bell will notify you every time I go on live stream. Make sure you look at the spreadsheet. Make sure you follow us on our Instagram. Make sure you join the Discord. If you guys have any questions about challenge passing or about account management, all those questions could be asked here in the challenge passing section. Click open ticket. You ask questions, etc. Make sure you guys join the Discord. This is where you're going to find the admin signals. You're going to find every single signal, whether we hit take profit or stop loss. It's where we're going to keep on talking about what trades we're taking and just, I don't know, make sure you guys are in the Discord community also, brother. Much love to everybody. Thank you guys for being a part of the stream. Thank you guys for being patient with me. I'm sorry for arriving late. We're going to stream Asian session. During Asian session, we have news, and then we're going to be available also on London session. London session, I think we should have a volatile session as well. So much love to everybody. Take care of your accounts. Don't go crazy. Peace, brothers. Much love. See ya, brothers. See ya, Arnold. See ya, everybody. Much love. Take care, everybody. Peace.